Hello friends, in this video we will learn to solve fill array with 1's. The task is given an array of 0 and 1. In how many iterations it is possible that the whole array can be filled with 1's. If in a single iteration immediate neighbors of 1's can be filled. So input output I will explain with the example. These are the limits. See this. Example. Input. First one is the number of test cases, 2. In every test case there are 2 lines. First line is the number of elements. Second line is those elements, 4 elements separated by spaces like this. What is the task is the immediate the zeros where immediate neighbors are 1. Those are become 1 at one iteration. All neighbors of 1 will become 1 at one iteration. See this. If this 0 is the neighbor of this one, it will become 1. This 0 is the neighbor of 1, this will become 1 in the one iteration. So output is 1. For second test case, the first one neighbor is 0. This will be 1. This will be 1 because of this one. 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 But this one and beginning one are not still zeros. After first iteration, the second iteration, this value will become 1's. So output is 2. It takes 2 iterations. To achieve this task, I have written a code. See this. These are taking number of test cases. All test cases I am using while loop. In while loop, first one is the n. Those are number of elements. To store the all elements, I am using an array with a size of n. If I am checking it, if all are any one is 1 is exist or not. If exist, there is only iterations are possible. If no ones are exist in the element, it is not possible to make them ones. So to find out that I am using sum. I am taking the value at the same time using the sum value, adding the values. If sum equal to 0, because everyone is 0, then we just return -1 because we need not to do any iteration to make ones. Else it is a chance to make them to fill iteration. It is possible to fill the array with 1's. So I am taking this function fill array with 1's, passing the 2 parameters. One is address of array, another one is number of elements n. See this. In this I am using this is fill array with 1's. Int max equal to 0. This is the bz means beginning zeros, mz is the middle zeros, ez is the ending zeros. Because there is a logic is there. How many beginning zeros are there? Those iterations are need to take either in the end, beginning or ending. But middle is different. Middle is seal of middle by 2. Middle elements by 2 gives the that much of iteration to make them 0. Make that much of iterations are needs. See this. For finding the beginning of zeros using this block, int I equal to 0 while a of I not equal to 1. Until that, this bz increments, nothing but beginning zeros. In the same way, for ending also, I am traveling from n-1 to until its a of I value not equal to 1, equal to 1 until the end zeros. I am comparing them. Bz are less than or uz. Beginning zeros are more than less than ending zeros, then max value ez. Either else max value bz, beginning zeros. I am using this for loop to find out middle zeros. See this. Mz. Initial mz value 0. How many zeros are comes? If it is 0, C value increments. For C1. Middle jet. Middle zeros. Okay. Use a variable C. Initially 0. To find out middle zeros, I am using C value count increments. Then if 1 is occurs, then else block comes. MZ is less than C. C value nothing but zeros are how many zeros are more than the MZ, then MZ will equal to C. If this is true, this will block execute. Then C value becomes 0. In this way, I will find the middle elements. After that, seal of middle. I am using this formula to get the seal of middle elements by 2. MZ plus 1 by 2 gives the seal of MZ by 2. So, checking out max less than or equal to MZ. If it is true, then max value MZ. I am returning MZ max, nothing but iterations. See this, compile test. Yes. So expected output or output is same. Submit it. Yes, correct answer. With the execution time 0.14. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now.